warm welcome to you. This is TVC News. We begin this hour from the courts. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has adjourned to July 5th to enable the Attorney General of the Federation respond to the motion filed by Senator Buruji Kashamu seeking to reopen his case. TVC News Celestina area has more.
Justice Okon Abang of the Federal High Court Abuja had fixed 2nd July to deliver judgment in one of the two fresh suits instituted by Senator Buruji Kashamu. In the suit, Senator Kashamu is seeking an order of the court to stop the federal government from extraditing him to the United States of America for trial in a drug trafficking offense. Mr. Kashamu had instituted 2 new suits against the Attorney General of the Federation and the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, praying that the 2 respondents be prohibited by the court from arresting, detaining, and extraditing him to America. In the instant suit filed by Mr. Kashamu, argued that his fundamental right to freedom of liberty would be breached with the plan to deport him to the U.S. unless the AGF and the NDLEA are restricted from doing so. On 22nd of July, the court was served with an application by Mr. Kashamu seeking to reopen the case, and also the application was also served on the 2 respondents. At the resumed sitting, counsel for the AGF informed the court that he has not seen the processes as he is standing in for the lead counsel. He asked the court for an adjournment to enable him respond to the application in line with Order 26 Rule 5 of the Rules of the Court, which grants him 7 days to respond. The court then adjourned at the instant of the first respondent.
The court has the discretion to reopen any matter before judgment is delivered for good reason, like in this case. And we believe the court will agree with us when it hears our application and reopen the case.
The matter was adjourned for judgment today, but the plaintiff came in with a later day application to reopen, a motion to reopen the case before judgment is delivered. And the first defendants were of the view that they were still within time within which to react to that motion. And so they sought for an adjournment, and the court in its wisdom granted the adjournment to enable them react to that motion.
Justice Okon Abang, however, raised an issue so motu, wherein he gave counsels in the suit 5 days to address the court on how lawful it is for the Attorney General of the Federation to send a letter to any country Nigeria has an extradition treaty with, seeking for an extradition application to be able to extradite someone for prosecution. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.